Can I Pay Brighthouse Online? Brighthouse Financial offers multiple payment options, including online payments for added convenience. If you have a policy with Brighthouse, you can manage and pay your premiums through their digital platforms. Below is a detailed explanation of how to make payments online and what you need to know. 1. Online payment options available. Brighthouse allows customers to pay online through their official website. They offer payment methods such as credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Some policies may also support autopay options to ensure timely payments. 2. How to make an online payment. Step 1. Visit the Brighthouse Financial website and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Make a Payment section. Step 3. Choose your preferred payment method, credit, debit card, or bank transfer. Step 4. Enter your payment details and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Receive confirmation of your successful payment. 3. Setting up automatic payments. Brighthouse provides an autopay option which deducts your premium from your chosen payment method on a scheduled basis. This helps avoid missed payments and policy lapses. You can set this up through your online account or by contacting customer service. 4th, paying through mobile app. If Brighthouse has a mobile app, you can make payments directly from your phone. The app typically offers the same payment methods as the website and may also include notifications for due payments. 5. Payment confirmation and tracking. After making an online payment, Brighthouse provides a confirmation number and email receipt. You can also track past payments through your online account, ensuring full transparency. 6th, alternative payment methods. If you prefer not to pay online, Brighthouse also accepts payments via phone, mail, and bank transfers. These methods may take longer to process compared to online payments. Paying Brighthouse online is a simple and secure process. By using their website or mobile app, you can make payments efficiently and even set up autopay for hassle-free transactions. To find out if you're paying too much for insurance, click on the link in the description below.